High school, bangize ngempilo. Then at varsity, I meet this other guy. This guy says, "You are Tira. When you are Tira Misias." Okay, sharp. I will move with Tira. Misias, I will play it when I want. But Tira is my name. And then the first record that we did was zizwele. That was the first record that came out of the Afrotainment Studios. Guys, I've been a trendsetter. Best to believe that.
Afrotainment Scoop Sasadubani, a 3-part docu-series, Saturdays at 12:30 p.m. only on Channel O.
Lo mculo siqale ukwenza mase sihlangana DJ Tira. Kwabalula because besenza hip hop ngoba sihlaliswe siphushela nje shows abantu abafana nabo abusha nabo umzulu. That is ukuthi kwakumele shintshe ama flow. Ekuyiyona alpha afaka umoya kakhulu leyinomlilo.
Afrotainment Scoop Sasadubani, a 3-part docu-series, Saturdays at 12:30 p.m. only on Channel O.
As a little girl, Google always like just a tomboy, reserved, very quiet. Born in Soweto as a kid, attending schools in Soweto, and then advancing further in life. Soweto played a huge role. The people I met, you know, streets, it's a lot of pillars that have really contributed to who I am today. You know, in Soweto, everybody's your mother, everybody's your father. That's where the foundation of my creativity comes from. I was in KZN doing my thing with my Zolo. There was a guy with a backpack, keeps going to the fridge, I'm observing him. And he came back, introduced himself. It was the first time I was introduced to a DJ Tira in KZN. And I have a lot of things I want to do. I have a vision. And when I have these conversations with Tira, we boost each other. We like, yo, so how do we do that?
Afrotainment Scoop Sasadubani, a 3-part docu-series, Saturdays at 12:30 p.m. only on Channel O.
Angaze ngithi ngifuna ukuba umculi. Ukuculo kwathola mina lento kunanesithunywa sami somshunqo sisimasa sengena ibeat. Hayi vele kuqhamuka into ukuthi yeah omunye phezikomunye omunye phezikomunye vele benkulu ingoma impilo ivele ishintshe ngampela ke manje ngabe mina ngisebenze after because kwakufika inqwaba yabantu kuthiwa hey wena uyaphi lapha uyaphi Tira uzodla imali yakho. Mina ke ngilomuntu othi noma sekuthiwa ungayi lapha ngifuna ukuyibonela mina eAfrotainment kumnandi mfethu.
Afrotainment Scoop Sasadubani, a 3-part docu-series, Saturdays at 12:30 p.m. only on Channel O.